Welcome back to Solve Zone.
Ain't you ready for crazy maths tricks?
What is 325 square minus 324 square? Can you find it without calculator? 325 square minus 324 square is 649. Let's try one more question. 143 square minus 142 square is. Answer is 285. The trick is, just add two numbers. This rule is applicable only for consecutive numbers. So, difference of squares of consecutive numbers is its sum. This is for you. Can you find the value in 5 seconds? Let me know your answer in the comment. What is 15 square? Yes, it is 225. 25 square is 625. So what about 35 and 45 squares? You find it without calculator. 1 multiply by next number 2 will get 2. That is the first digit of the answer. Square of second number 5 is 25 is the second and third number of the answer. In 25 square, first number 2 multiply by next number 3, 6 is the first digit of answer. Second number 5, square is 25, that is last part of answer, so the answer is 625. Now you can find square of numbers ending with 5 easily. This is for you. Can you find the value in 5 seconds? Let me know your answer in the comment. Here, last number just square it. So 1 square is 1. That is the last part of our answer. The second number of the answer will get by, multiply the digits, 2 and 1, then multiply by 2. So we'll get 4. First number 4 will get by squaring first number. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon for more maths trick.